शाबासकी दिता, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता की हे पद्धतीन तुम्ही जे केला. आज हांवें म्हणजे स्वता थोड्यांनी पळयलां ते तुम्ही एक नॅशनल लेवलाचेर जे गजाली घडटा पळय तो लेवल तुम्ही आज तुमचे 70 आयचे दिसा पर्यंत पावयला. ही जावन आसा शाबासकी सगळ्या मेंबरांक. एक प्रेसिडेंट आसा, एक कमिटी आसा आणि तितून मेंबर्स आसा. जे मेंबर जितले आपले योगदान, आपले जे जितले कार्य, आपलो जितलो टाइम दिवन तेंच्यांनी हे जे सगळे घडोवन हाडला. आय वुड से I really congratulate you on behalf of my Goa Volleyball Association, and as a player of volleyball, I would say that you people have done a very, very marvelous job. When volleyball is to be played daytime, today volleyball can be played under floodlights. There was a time when we needed 6 players to play. Today volleyball can be played, beach volleyball can be played even with 2 players. If a player needs to improve, one hasn't to wait for 6 players to come. आम्ही आमच्या ग्राउंडार फोंडेच्या ग्राउंडार एक जण फक्त 6 जण आसतले. आम्ही 3 जण एक साइडीन रावप, 3 जण दुसरे साइडीन रावप आणि सेट्स चालूच करप. तो पर्यंत खूपशे भुरगे नंतर येऊन जॉइन जातले. पण 3 आणि 3 भुरगे खेळप म्हणजे तुझी कव्हरेज आणि स्टॅमिनाचो पार्ट जो आसा तो तुजो इम्प्रूव जाता. तुजो मुवमेंट जो आसा तो वाढून येता. कित्याक 9 मीटर बाय 9 मिटरांचे ग्राउंड जो आसा 6 जण कव्हर करता. पण जेन्ना 3 जण येता किंवा 9 जण येता, जो मुवमेंट, युअर एक्टिवनेस इज शोन ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो व्हॉलीबॉल इज अ गेम ऑफ precision. Volleyball is a game of teamwork. And when you all get together as a team, I think you can see the best of volleyball. And I would like to see that Sattari comes into the roadmap of volleyball in Goa as one of the most prominent taluka of Goa for volleyball in future. I promise that I am going to put every effort, and the first effort which I have decided under the Goa Volleyball Association is to conduct a referees clinic for all those interested to become referees in this Sattari taluka, because it is very important and necessary that you should know the latest rules, the latest regulations in terms of volleyball. The teams or the players or the officials who would want to participate in this volleyball clinic, referees clinic, may please give their names to Andhra and Anand, so that we will fix a date in accordance to your 3 days clinic we will conduct here in Sattari Taluka.